Working from home has become more popular than ever, and I'm here to give you the top 4 unique and easy ways you can start earning cash from the couch right now. So let's get started. Number 1, rent out your stuff with Fat Llama. Did you know you can actually make money by renting out your stuff? Websites like Fat Llama allow you to rent out anything from cameras to power tools to people in your area. So if you have items lying around that you don't use often, consider renting them out to make some extra cash. Number 2, sell your photos online with Adobe Stock. If you have a passion for photography, you can turn that hobby into a money-making opportunity by selling your photos online. Websites like Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn money every time someone downloads them. So next time you're out and about, snap some photos and start making money from your photography skills. Number 3, become a virtual friend with Rent a Friend. Believe it or not, you can actually get paid to be someone's virtual friend. Websites like Rent a Friend allow you to sign up as a friend for hire, where you can chat with people online, play games, or even go on virtual tours. So if you're a social butterfly and love meeting new people, consider becoming a virtual friend to earn some extra income. Number 4, open up an online store with Shopify. With Shopify, you can easily set up your own online store and start selling products from home. Whether you're into crafts, clothing, or digital products, Shopify provides the tools you need to create a successful online business. So if you have a product or an idea you want to sell, consider starting your own Shopify store and turn your passion into a profitable business. And there you have it, another quick tidbit takeaway of 4 unique ways you can start making money from home. Check out the discounts and more info links in the description below.
Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.